Help Center Tutorials. Supplier Ordering Process on Precision Systems. The supplier relationship management component of Precision Systems covers the entire process, from the creation of the purchase order to the reception of the goods and more. In this article, learn how to make an order from your suppliers. To make a replenishment request for your stock, simply follow these steps. Log into your administrator interface from the web or on your myPrecision mobile application. Press on the avatar of your profile located in the upper right part of your screen, then go to Supplier Relationship. Re-enter the administrator credentials of your Precision Systems account to gain access. You will then land on your Kanban in the Order section of your Supplier Relationship space. In the column on the left of your order Kanban, choose the store concerned by the order you are about to create, or keep the default selection of Central Purchasing if you have a central purchasing unit or warehouse that manages the replenishment of your entire network of stores. Then press plus, located in the upper right corner of your screen, to initiate the creation of an order, and proceed to fill in the form that will be displayed on the right of your screen. Choose one of the products of your catalog in the first field, the quantity you want to order in the next, then, if it is agreed with your supplier that you benefit from a discount, insert the rate of the discount in the third field, otherwise leave it empty. The field Unit Price will be filled automatically according to the product chosen in the first field. Precision Systems will assign a lot number to your order, which will be displayed in the Lot ID field. Once you have completed your form, press Add. A line related to the order of the product will be added to the table located in the lower part of the form. Repeat the process for each product you wish to order and then press Order. This way, the order will be added to your Kanban queue. To validate the sending of the order, click on the order line in question to open it and then on Send Order. The order will then go to the Sent tab of the Kanban. So, to get your purchase order, go to the Sent part of your Kanban, press on the line of the order in question, which you will be able to recognize from the information in the Update Date column. Then press the green button to view your order form before downloading it and you're done. Find out how to register the reception of your order on our article Supplier Order Reception Process.